Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Still running around with this feller. This is Tony from LVRV. VLR. I can never get that right. I'm so sorry. These are great guys. Like I say, if you are anywhere around Inman, South Carolina, you need help with your RV, give these folks a call. Contact information will be in the description below, along with all the other stuff that's down there, post office boxes, Amazon stores. Really appreciate you guys and gals buying stuff at my Amazon store. It helps out. What are we doing now, Anthony?
Well, it's got a TV lift that'll lift the TV up. He says it would come up and it would kick out normally, but now it just kicks up and stops. So it doesn't do its little kick out anymore. We'll see if we can figure that out.
And we're on a lake, and Anthony can't remember the name of the lake, but that's a big old lake.
Lake Hartwell, I think.
Hartwell, that's what it was.
Hartwell.
Hartwell, I was close. Hartwell.
One of those big man-made lakes.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Brand new campground here. Gentleman says this campground is 88 days old. And this is something we don't see very often. Is a toy hauler motorhome. We just don't see many of those, and I don't know that I've ever worked on them.
Oh, really?
No. So
they're not common.
Nope, they're not really common. So yeah, we're gonna quit fooling around here, and we're gonna get started. See if we can figure out any of this stuff, and see what we can fix today. What he'll have to come back later and fix without me and y'all. Unless now they're talking about starting to really use their YouTube channel, so y'all let them know down here whether you want them to do that, because it'll be another good source of reliable RV information. So y'all let them know.
All right,
leave a comment. Here's the electric TV that we were talking about. See down there, you see the screws that run it up and down.
Every single one.
Apparently there's supposed to be also a mechanism that swings the TV out.
That top comes off. Ukrainians' offensive up in Kharkiv has been.
What are you talking about, this here?
Yeah. Across the Oskil River, and they have moved to the east near the town of Saratoga. There is a significant ongoing fight down in Bakhmut right now, and in the vicinity of Seversk.
Oh, that's jazzy.
Where the Ukrainians are fighting a very successful mobile defense. There's limited contact right now.
Yeah, about right here. There's a.
And limited contact.
It's probably like a ground interrupt switch right here.
Power plant.
Oh.
I'm wondering if maybe that might be the problem.
Kherson's offensive has been successful, and the Russians have failed every single time. They've lost strategically, they've lost operationally, and I repeat, they lost tactically.
So we actually found an access panel here that should give us pretty good access to all the methods for this TV. One screw behind that hinge. I had figured you would go get to it.
You got an eye.
I know where they like to hide stuff.
Oh, wow. Hey, all right. Well, looky here.
Oh, the switch came apart. There's something.
There's a broken switch.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I thought I saw. Look at that. There's the button.
That's sure enough.
All right.
The old broken switch trick. So that must be the limit switch for the up and down, so it doesn't know it's all the way up, so it won't pan.
That makes sense.
I bet you.
No. Oh, and it was mounted right here.
Yep.
Well, let's
It's just depressing that switch. So it should know it's all the way up. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Yep.
That's the Huckleberry.
Yep.
That's cool. I never even knew they did a mechanism like that.
I never seen one. Huh.
So I'm just.
Yeah, customer says that.
Oh, I see.
That
Because there's a
TV
bracket right here that pushes the button. So when it's up all the way, it pushes that button, which tells it it's clear to go ahead and.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Well, the customer says this TV will come around like a 45-degree angle there. So that's pretty cool.
Well, we gotta find that.
I think this piece is actually broken. Yeah, it is. Whatever that is. Is that the back of this?
Yeah, that's. Well, you can see the.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm sure it was kind of like that.
Oh, yep.
And that's probably inside of that. And oh, part number. That's exactly what I need right there.
How convenient is that?
Micro switch.
You know you can't see that. Get a picture
I
of it so you can
can't.
blow it up.
I can't. You know, I'm not even going to lie about that. Not even going to lie. Let me get a picture. I was told to get lots of pictures, so.
All right. Well, we're going to get the information off this so Anthony can get a switch order. Well, I think that we're going to go ahead and wrap this video right here. We got one little old thing to do, but we're not going to video that. I think this video is going to be plenty long enough.
Oh, hold on. I want to be like Cameron.
Oh, there you go. There you go. So, so me and Cameron here, we have successfully repaired the main thing that he wanted done, and we
Kept the main things the main thing.
and we figured out what's on the TV's thingy.
Yeah, yeah.
Got to get parts for that, but our work here's done. I think. Why don't y'all get done? Get down there, leave us a comment, a criticism, a concern, and don't forget, if you need work in this area, give these people a call. They're good people, and they will take good care of you. I guarantee it. And I'm gonna head back to West Virginia actually, and Tony and Tanya have been fantastic hosts. They treated me like a king, and I appreciate that. And if they ever come to West Virginia, I'll tell them where the nearest motels. I've got a room for them. Okay, and so I think that's it. You got anything to add, bud?
Have a good one. Safe travels.
He talks as much as Cameron, doesn't he? Yeah, I'm going back to West Virginia. He's gonna go fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day. Hartwell, yeah, that's what it said on my map.
I don't know why I didn't draw it.
Oh, because I confused you. I'm the master of confusion.
That's how you convince your wife to marry you, right?
Yep, pretty much.
Got it all confused.
Yep.
Just bobbulated.
Yep.
Next thing you.
It's like, got down on one knee, and she's like, okay.